In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 ways to get more customers for your crochet business. Are you excited? Because I am. Alright, before we get into it, please take a moment to subscribe down below. My name is Kauthar. I'm Nigeria's crochet queen, and I share a lot of very helpful crochet videos that can help you grow your crochet business. I share strategies and I share crochet lessons so that you can improve your crochet game and your crochet business. Okay, now that you have subscribed, I'm hoping you've subscribed, we're going to get started. It is very important for you to get more customers, because the purpose of every business is to be able to serve customers, and if you don't have customers who are paying for your crochet pieces, there's really no way your business is going to grow and even remain a business, because you cannot just continue making crochet pieces for yourself. You need to be able to make for other people so that they are paying you and you can grow your business. Okay, now the very first tip I'm going to give you in order to gain more customers is to actually provide very good service to your current customers. So people that are currently ordering from you, you want to make sure that you're providing them with good quality crochet pieces. You're not making pieces that are not so good. Crochet pieces are generally very durable, so as long as you're making it very well, you're not patching it up anywhere, you're not doing shortcuts, you're giving them crochet pieces that fits very well, ensure that you're doing all of that so that they are happy with their order. And then also make sure you have very good customer service. Even though I'm also still working on this, I need to tell you, having a good customer service is very, very important, because if people like the way you treat them when they come in contact with your brand, they are most likely going to come back and they'll be more confident when they are referring you to their friends. But imagine if a customer is not happy with the encounter they had with you, they would most likely not come back and they would most likely not refer you to their friends. So ensure that you're giving very good quality pieces when people order from you, and ensure that you have a very good customer service, that your customers are satisfied and they are able to come back and refer you to other people. I'm going to give you a tip under this first tip, a mini tip, which is that you should always keep records of all your customers. Whenever somebody is ordering something from you, you want to keep records. If you would rather keep like a physical record, like write down their details using a biro and a paper, you can do that. Even though I recommend keeping a record online, you can use Microsoft Excel, you can use Google Sheets. Just make sure you're getting their details, their name, their phone number, their email address maybe, and even their Instagram handle. This is going to be very, very important in case you want to reach out to your customers. It just really helps you. You are able to track how many customers you've had, or how many customers do I have on a monthly basis. It is so important to keep records. I made this mistake when I started my business, and it is so bad, because whenever you need help, if you're going out to meet a coach to help you grow your business, they're going to be asking you these questions like, how many customers do you have monthly, how much do you make monthly? So if you don't have these records, you will not be able to provide them with those answers. Okay, so make sure from early on you are keeping all the records. Whatever the person is buying, you want to write it there, the color, the details, their size, and the price that they are paying for that piece. Okay, so provide your customers with very good quality pieces. Make sure that your customer service is great, make everybody feel welcome, and then don't forget to keep records of the customers and what they are buying from you. That is my very first tip. Okay, the second tip I can give you in order to gain more customers is to collaborate. Then one of the ways of collaborating is to reach out to other brands, maybe other brands that have complementary products to yours, and you people can do different kinds of things. You can cross promote yourselves. So if it's on Instagram, the person can post you on their page while you also post the person on your page. Both of you can come together and create a bundle. Maybe you can have a collaboration with somebody who sells bags, and you make a crochet dress, and you people find a model. The model carries a bag, the person's bag, and you do a photo shoot and advertise. You tell people that, oh, if you buy this dress, you get this bag at the discounted price, or if you buy the bag, you get the dress at the discounted price, or even buy the combo together. Okay, so that's another kind of collaboration you can do aside cross promoting yourselves. You can also create combos with other vendors. So these are 2 kinds of collaborations you can do, and what this does is it exposes your own brand to the other person's audience. It's a mutually beneficial thing, because the person's audience, they are also going to be exposed to your brand, and then your own audience will be exposed to the person's brand, which means that both of you can gain totally new audiences. So you definitely want to consider cross promoting a brand that is complementary to yours. I'm going to tell you right now to not make the mistake of having this arrangement with a brand that is not complementary to yours. For example, don't go and meet somebody who sells meat to cross promote your crochet pieces, because people that are looking for meat are not necessarily in the same headspace, as somebody who is looking for dresses. For example, somebody looking for me might be hungry, you know, and then they are saying come and buy crochet dress. It will not really tally. But if somebody who is already selling bag says that, oh, have you people seen this nice crochet dress that you can carry with this bag I'm selling, you know, it matches up. Somebody that is going to buy a bag is most likely going to buy a dress, because I mean, they're not going to carry a bag and go out naked. So make sure that the brand that you are collaborating with is complementary to what you sell. Okay, so if the crochet pieces you make and sell are primarily baby clothes, you don't want to go and meet somebody selling shoe, you know, somebody selling shoe for university ladies, you know, because it doesn't work. University ladies don't have children, so why are they posting your dress? Why are they posting your baby dress? It's not the same audience. So what I'm trying to say is, make sure that the person that you're going to be collaborating with has your audience, and it's up to you to do that assignment, to look out for pages that have your audience, and then you can pitch to them and tell them that, oh hi, I think we can collaborate, and let them see how they are going to be benefiting as well, because when you are collaborating with people, it is supposed to be mutually beneficial. It's not as if you are going to be the only one benefiting. If you do that, then people are most likely not going to collaborate with you, because everybody is selfish and they want to see how they can gain something. Okay, yeah, so that is my tip 2: collaborate with people that have your audience. And my tip 3 is going to be that you run ads. Okay, this is my last tip, because for this one you need money, but running ads is something that is very, very good, because it exposes you to new people. Okay, when you already have an audience and you're advertising your pieces to them, it is also very good that you are reaching out to new people, because at some point everybody in your audience, they already know, oh, this is what you do, this is what you do, this is what you do, and they might not be ready to buy even though they know that this is what you do. So it is important that you are reaching out to new people so that you get new eyes on your page. It is very, very important as a business owner to constantly be looking for new customers, not forgetting to treat your current customers very well, because your current customers are also going to be bringing you new customers when they refer you to their friends and families. So yes, doing ads, Instagram ads, Facebook ads, is a very good way to get more eyes on your business and also get more customers. And I know that some of you might now say, I don't have money to do ads and all that, but what I want to tell you right now is, when you take your crochet hobby and it becomes a business, you now have to treat it as an actual business, and businesses usually have a marketing budget. So in your crochet business, you need to have a marketing budget, and this doesn't necessarily have to come from your pocket. If you're just starting out, yes, it would have to come from your pocket, although I do not recommend that you do ads when you are just starting your business, because your brand is not established yet and people don't really trust you because you're a new brand. But when you want to start doing ads, you need to incorporate the price of the ads and marketing into the price of your crochet pieces. Okay, because your business is supposed to be able to sustain and grow itself. Okay, so if your business is not able to do that, there's a problem somewhere. There's a problem somewhere. So when you decide that you want to start doing ads, you want to make sure that you include the budget for ads in the price of your crochet pieces, because your business should be the one paying for its own ads. Okay, I hope you understand what I've said. And if you're still not too sure how to do this, make sure you check out my pricing ebook, where I break it down in details how to correctly price your crochet product, because all of these costs, they are supposed to be included in the price of your crochet pieces. And it doesn't mean that you're just going to add all the price of the ad on one crochet piece. No, that's not what it means. Definitely check out my pricing ebook if you want to know how to correctly price your crochet pieces and still make maximum profit. I also have a crochet video that explains to you how to price your crochet products. I'm going to link everything in the description box down below, so make sure you check it out. Okay, and those are my 3 tips for getting more customers online. I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure to share with your other crochet friends so that everybody can grow together. Don't forget to subscribe, because I'm going to be here next week with a new video for you that will help you again grow your crochet business, and I cannot wait to see you then. All right everyone, bye.